So we break it Android here. So we are very familiar with the brand Nothing. Well, they have created a very unique looking phone called the Nothing Phone 1 back there, and now the company is all set to release its second version, the Nothing Phone 2. The founder of the company is obviously called Pei. He was also a co-founder of the OnePlus, but somehow he left OnePlus and made his own company with the name Nothing. And guys, Nothing has been hyping up its next phone with executive interviews and social media drop feeding. Anyway, it seems we now finally have our very first look at the design of the Nothing Phone 2 thanks to Onleaks and Smart Bricks. The new design is recognizably Nothing with its transparent back. So if you look closely to the Nothing Phone 2, it looks very similar to the predecessor Nothing Phone 1. However, there are few key changes. The company has confirmed that its second smartphone will have a larger 6.7-inch display up from 6.5 inches. Plus, the new design has rounded aluminum sides. Even the glass panels on the front and back sides have slight curves to them. If you don't know, the Nothing Phone 1 had squared off sides along with a flat front and back. Furthermore, the light strips are now segmented. This could give users more fine-grained control over the system, which serves as status indicator, notification light, and that is the key feature of the smartphone, which is just as something to add some cool factor to the phone. And guys, this look of the phone could be the real deal, as Onleaks notes that the renders are based on a unit from the testing stage, so there may be some minor changes, but overall design will remain like this, which means the Nothing Phone 2 is sticking with a dual camera setup. The flash now has 2 LEDs instead of just one, but that's the only addition. Furthermore, the phone will have more powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which means the smartphone will still fall under the mid-range category instead of flagship. So the price of the phone is expected to be lower. Other than that, all specifications of the phone is still unknown, but make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified regarding this phone. So yeah, what do you think about this first look of the Nothing Phone 2? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.